reverence.
Pretty special for me to be doing the opening ceremonies because I've been coming to the CNEs since I was a kid. Like a lot of you here who've been coming to the CNEs since they were a kid, right? I mean, this was a childhood for all. Opening day parade heading our way, leading the charge, as you can see, is the Toronto Police Mounted Unit. And fun fact, as you take a gander over at the Mounted Unit, the Mounted Unit's home base is actually right here at Exhibition Place in the Horse Palace. The horses are housed not just for the 2 weeks of the CNE, but all year round. They are marching south toward the stage. Here, before you see them, we have the band of the Royal Regiment of Canada in the direction of Captain Kevin Anderson. Guests of honor, Lisa LaFlamme and Bob Ezra. We'll make you stand for this whole thing, don't worry. As mentioned earlier, these grounds, now known as Exhibition Place, are the traditional lands of the Mississaugas of the New Credit First Nation. It is now my great honor to invite our newly elected board member, Chief Stacey LaFlamme of the Mississauga.
A clear mind to make well thought out, intelligent decisions. A pure heart to make decisions without personal bias and desire, and the courage to use both a clear mind and a pure heart in our lives. Let us set aside small differences. Let us not be bogged down in rhetoric. Let us live each day with a feeling of accomplishment and pride. Most importantly, let us remember, we are not adversaries nor are we enemies. We share a similar past, a kindred spirit, and a common heritage. We must always remember the real reason we gather, to do the right thing for our people,
Thanks for watching.
our children, our future. Good luck.